Alright, let's begin with an introduction to criminal law. This is the body of law that relates to crime. It proscribes conduct perceived as threatening, harmful, or otherwise endangering to the property, health, safety, and moral welfare of people. Criminal law defines conduct prohibited by the state because it threatens public safety and order. Its purpose is to maintain social order, deter criminal behavior, and provide justice to victims. Essentially, it sets the boundaries of acceptable conduct in society. Now let's delve into the elements of a crime. These are the specific factors that define a criminal act. They must be proven by the prosecution to secure a conviction. The first element is Actus Reus, which means guilty act. This refers to the conduct that constitutes the criminal act. It must be voluntary and intentional or, in some cases, criminally negligent. This is a crucial aspect of establishing criminal liability. Mens rea, or guilty mind, is a crucial component in criminal law. It refers to the mental state accompanying the act, such as intent, recklessness, or negligence. This mental state is essential in determining the culpability of an individual and the severity of their punishment. Classification of crimes is an important aspect of criminal law, helping to categorize offenses based on their nature and severity. Let's talk a bit about felonies versus misdemeanors. Felonies are serious offenses punishable by imprisonment for over 1 year. On the other hand, misdemeanors are less serious offenses, typically resulting in shorter sentences or fines. Strict liability offenses are, well, quite unique in the realm of criminal law. These are crimes that do not require intent or a mental state. For example, traffic violations fall under this category. Now let's move on to criminal defenses. Justifications are, in essence, reasons that can make an otherwise criminal act lawful. These include self-defense, defense of others, necessity, and consent. Excuses: duress, insanity, infancy, mistake of fact. Criminal procedure: investigation and arrest, police powers, search and seizure, Miranda rights. Trial process: pre-trial proceedings, jury selection, burden of proof, beyond a reasonable doubt. Sentencing and appeals: factors influencing sentencing, appeal process, and post-conviction relief. Constitutional protections: the Fourth Amendment provides protection against unreasonable searches and seizures. The Fifth Amendment ensures the right against self-incrimination and guarantees due process. The Sixth Amendment guarantees the right to a speedy and public trial as well as the right to counsel. Emerging issues in criminal law: cybercrime, theft, fraud, hacking, and privacy issues. Criminal justice reform, sentencing guidelines, bail reform, and rehabilitation. Case studies and examples: analyzing landmark cases, for example, Miranda v. Arizona and Roe v. Wade, real-world examples illustrating legal principles and their application. Conclusion: a summary of key principles and their importance in maintaining a just society. Additional resources: recommended readings, legal databases, and further study materials.